Deep in the constellation of Cancer lies Messier 67, an ancient cluster of stars like a cosmic jewel box, glittering with thousands of suns. Most stars here are old and predictable, aging together in cosmic harmony. But among them, one star stands out, not by its brightness, but by its secret. This star, a Blue Lurker, hides a violent past beneath a calm exterior. It's a stellar imposter, a thief that's stolen youth from a sibling, spinning with astonishing speed. M67 is an open cluster, a perfect lab for studying how stars evolve, since its members share age and chemistry. Yet in this controlled environment, the Blue Lurker's rapid spin was a glaring anomaly. Astronomers noticed it not by sight but by measurement. This star was spinning far faster than its ancient neighbors. In a cluster where most stars have slowed with age, this one was a blur of motion, like a race car in a retirement village. This single, baffling observation unraveled a story of a triple-star system, a dramatic merger and a cosmic secret hidden for billions of years. The Blue Lurker forced astronomers to rethink everything they knew about how stars live and die, and it all began with a star that refused to grow old quietly. Normally, old stars spin slowly. Our sun takes about 27 days to rotate. The stars of M67, all around 4 billion years old, follow this rule. But the Blue Lurker, known as WOX 1007, spins once every 3.8 days, over 7 times faster than the sun. This rapid spin is a sign of youth, a clue that something extraordinary happened. Astronomers used telescopes like Kepler to study its light, tracking star spots as they rotated in and out of view. The Blue Lurker's light flickered with a fast, energetic beat, unlike its slow-spinning neighbors. This was the first piece of the puzzle, a star that looked old but acted young. It couldn't have simply held on to its speed. Stellar physics wouldn't allow it. Something must have spun it up, like a merry-go-round given a sudden push. The search was on for the source of this stolen energy. Astronomers realized they were looking at the aftermath of a cosmic crime scene. The spinning star was their prime suspect. Its rapid rotation was a silent confession of a tumultuous past. What is a Blue Lurker? It's a star hiding in plain sight. On a chart of star brightness and temperature, it blends in perfectly. No flashy blue color, no red giant glow. Its secret is its spin, not its appearance. Blue Lurkers are cousins to blue stragglers, stars that look younger and bluer than their peers, thanks to mergers or mass transfer. But Blue Lurkers are subtler. They've gained mass and energy, but not enough to stand out visually. Imagine a family sedan with a supercar engine under the hood. You'd only know its secret by measuring its performance. That's what astronomers did. They looked under the hood and found a star spinning impossibly fast. This discovery was a triumph of modern astronomy, combining data from ground-based and space telescopes. Each instrument revealed a piece of the story, like detectives piecing together a case. The evidence was clear. This star was not what it seemed. It was a product of a dramatic past, trying to hide in a crowd of ordinary stars. The Blue Lurker's true nature was finally exposed. Its rapid spin was the fingerprint of a stellar crime. In a cluster of thousands, it was the one star with a secret engine. And that secret would change our understanding of stellar evolution. The Blue Lurker's story began in a triple-star system. 2 stars orbited closely, with a third circling farther out. As the inner pair aged, one swelled into a red giant, transferring mass to its companion. Eventually the two merged in a cataclysmic event, creating a single, more massive star. This merger reset the star's evolutionary clock and spun it up, like an ice skater pulling in their arms. The new star had stolen mass and motion from its sibling, becoming the Blue Lurker. The merger also ejected a shell of gas, erasing some evidence of the event. All that remained was the rapidly spinning culprit and the distant third star, a silent witness. This third star would prove crucial in solving the mystery. The Blue Lurker had pulled off a cosmic heist, absorbing its companion to gain youth and speed. Its secret was hidden in plain sight, waiting for astronomers to uncover the truth. The final clue would come from the system's last surviving witness. The third star in the system was no ordinary companion. When astronomers looked closer, they found a faint, dense white dwarf orbiting the Blue Lurker. A white dwarf is the corpse of a star like our sun, hot, dense, and ancient. This one was cool, meaning it was very old, a ghost from the system's distant past. The paradox: the Blue Lurker looked young but its companion was ancient. The answer: the white dwarf was once the most massive star, evolving and dying first. Its presence confirmed the triple system origin and the timeline of the merger. The white dwarf survived the chaos, providing a timestamp for the system's age. It was the perfect witness, confirming the Blue Lurker's youth was stolen, not innate. With this evidence, astronomers closed the case on the Blue Lurker's secret. The ghostly companion told the final chapter of a cosmic drama billions of years in the making. The Blue Lurker isn't just a curiosity, it challenges our understanding of how stars evolve. For decades, astronomers thought stars lived and died in isolation. But the universe is crowded, and interactions like mergers and mass transfers can rewrite a star's fate. The Blue Lurker shows that stellar life is often a complex dance, not a solo act. These systems may help explain cosmic mysteries like the origins of type Ia supernovae. Studying them gives us a real-world lab to test theories about stellar explosions and evolution. The discovery also highlights the value of looking for the unexpected. There may be many more Blue Lurkers, hiding in plain sight across the galaxy. Finding them will require new techniques and a willingness to question old assumptions. Each discovery helps us piece together the grand story of the cosmos. The Blue Lurker reminds us that the universe is dynamic, surprising, and full of hidden drama. The Blue Lurker's story began with a single, strange measurement and became a cosmic saga. It reminds us that the night sky is filled with hidden wonders and violent histories. For every secret we uncover, countless more wait in the darkness. Astronomers are now searching for more Blue Lurkers. Stars that look ordinary but spin with stolen youth. Each new discovery will reveal more about the evolution of star clusters and galaxies. Are Blue Lurkers rare, or are they common but well hidden? The search is about more than stars. It's about understanding the universe itself. By studying these extreme cases, we test the limits of our knowledge. Each discovery deepens our connection to the cosmos. The greatest wonders often lurk in the shadows, waiting for curious minds. The age of discovery is far from over. The universe still has secrets to share.